Hello dear, this is day 9 and as usual I am here back with you. I'm on the field now going to start my work. You can see this is our all land. I'm sitting on my tractor above it to have a greater view, bird's eye view on all our land. The scenery, the view from here is quite pleasant and it's quite clear weather today. After a long time of 7 or 8 days, we came to see the sun yesterday in the evening, and it's not raining today. Anything else? Uh, I'm standing on tractor for just for you to have you a great and good view. That's it for today. Thank you. Anything else? You can see the broadcasting towers ahead, a lot far away. They are in midst of our village, and this all is factory area. One of our neighbor is wandering throughout their field, gazing at me that what is this man doing, standing on tractor, holding the camera. But I don't care. There's a, what does it call? I don't know. Let it go. Anything else? Let me show you something. There you can see it's a warehouse come factory of Duroflex, foam or bed sheet bed. What does it call? What is it called? Kind of bed sheet or foam beds company used to create forms using bed forms, or I don't know what they are actually called. Like sleep well and all companies used to create for our beds. It used to create bed sheets like things, and here beneath me, besides me, a temple behind me. If you can see between those trees, due to rain, all our grass, the corn, grass, and everything lie down. So my dad decided to increase the quantity so that they will not get ruined and we will consume them as early as possible. So me and my brother, he will be coming. He will be there here in few hours, not few hours, few minutes, or I would say half an hour. After completing his work, actually he is milking out cows and buffaloes now, and I came to here. We have uh, distributed our work schedules so that I used to cut the grass, he used to milk out and feed them in the morning, and then in afternoon noons his work, and in the evening it's my task to feed them, to water them, and to tie them inside the house. uh, but as the work is has increased and I have to do studies, so he will be here to help me. My dad ordered him, otherwise he would have not done so. There's nothing like he's having bad blood, but he's some kind of miser in work. He doesn't want to work, he don't like work, he just want to rest and get the spoon feeding. But the reality is, if you have to work to get the food, even for yourself. If you are living in a family, even you are alone, you have to work to survive. Otherwise, because you are not a insect or kind of pathogen who can be dependent on totally on nature. Even the birds and animals who are dependent on nature, they used to work to get their food. The birds used to fly long away, far away to get their food every day, throughout the day, without resting. Like every insect is there who is working hard, not working hard, who is yearning to get their food. So why can't we be motivated from them, and we should learn from them that we have to work and we have to work hard to achieve success. What was it? I don't know. A kind of motivation. Let's do not do this time pass and let me complete my work. We have to do many things. And again, I will say again, first for my first subscriber, thank you very much. And views are increasing day by day. It was 65 on a video, on a short video yesterday, and it's 85 today. Let's see how long it goes. But indeed, still I don't expect anything, because if I would be, I would need to work hard. I have to make content and define, make strategies for everyday videos, and that's, I don't have time for that. I can do that. I am very much good in that. I have created many videos earlier too, like I am having a channel who has 30,000 subscribers, but it's worthless because it can't be monetized. That's it for today. My video length is going long and it will cause me a lot of data to upload it. Thank you very much. Thank you.